Chiken, egg roll.
Purpose flour, chicken stock, seasoning, garlic, pepper, egg, salt, banana leaves, cooking oil, flour, spatula, Teflon.
Let's make.
First, prepare a bowl and break 1 egg. Then add all-purpose flour and little water. Beat until mixed evenly. Once the Teflon is hot, pour the skin mixture onto the Teflon and spread evenly. Wait until the skin is cooked. Then mix it: garlic, pepper, salt, seasoning, and chicken stock. Prepare the cooked skin, fill it with chicken mixture, then roll it up. Next, wrap in banana leaves, then steam for 10 minutes. Once cooked. Next, fry until golden brown. Finally, chicken egg roll is ready to taste.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.